Bonjour, mes amis. Today we are looking at the sound oo. Ooh. We make ooh when we have o, a, ooh, and mash them together to get ooh. Can you practice saying it? Ooh. Ooh. Let's look at some sounds that have ooh in them. This is a very popular one. You guys definitely know this color. Rouge. Can you hear the ooh sound? Rouge. Next, we have another word. You hear this often when Madame Leduc says, tout le monde, everybody. This means all or everyone. Tout. Tout. Ooh, with a silent T. Next, we have another one. That means you, but more than one of you. And it's vous. Do you hear the ooh sound in the center? Vous. Don't forget, don't say the S. Then we have a word that rhymes with vous. And it's new. And that means we. Nous. Vous, nous. Vous, nous. Do you hear the rhymes? Do you hear the ooh sound? Don't forget, we don't say the S. Okay, everyone. See you next time.